Decent views of skyscrapers. Used to be able to eat inside, but that probably changed with COVID and everything. Got an indoor pool down here. What up, everybody? So I just arrived in Seattle. Just checked into the hotel, staying at the Warwick. Let's take a tour of it real quick. Got a lot of storage for your clothes. Nice bed. Bed's comfortable. Got the USB outlets right here. Got a phone and a clock over there. Nice desk. And got some outlets in here. Got some more storage in your closet right here. Got your safe, iron board, extra blanket and pillow. Got your nice sink. Got some coffee. Mini fridge. Towels. Here's the bathroom. They don't got the bum gum here in America. Decent views of skyscrapers. Yeah, so I paid about $125 per night here. Only gonna be here for 2 nights, then I'm gonna move to another spot. Then I was gonna rent a car, but parking was gonna be like $50-something a night. I was just like, I'll just foot it, cause Seattle is like very walkable. So I'm about to chill for a minute, so I'll catch you guys next time. So I'm back. Getting ready to lay down, and I just realized that like I haven't had nothing to eat all day. Because of the time difference and everything. The only thing they gave us on the airplane was some like snack pack of like some sun chips or whatever. So I'm about to go grab something to eat. And here in Seattle, they like 3-4 hours behind us, so it's almost like afternoon over there in Cincinnati. So just stay tuned to see where I'm about to go eat at. And I didn't plan for it to be this cold. Well, I planned for it to be this cold, but not seeing any snow. I think I'm going the wrong way. Yep, I am going the wrong way. 4th, 5th. There you go, the 3rd. Yeah, one thing about Seattle is very walkable. Like, if you get a car, you definitely gonna have to pay extra for that parking. But they do have some apps, or they used to have some apps where you could get it a lot cheaper. Must be a movie theater right here. Yeah, I don't think I've been to this part of town in over like five years. Things look different. There's somebody getting their eyebrows done. Ooh, got some gyros right there. Which those taste good. Wonder how late they stay open. Probably the perfect drunk food.
Hey, yo, you supposed to know.
I like that bag though, man.
Oh, thank you. You too. Got a little dog park right here. Belltown, that used to be my hangout. Walk that way a few blocks and you be at the water. We arrived. Private premises employee on. Ooh, that sucks. Might get this to go. Too cold to be eating outside. Hey, how you doing? Can I get the smoking hot?
Sure. Any additional honey hot sauce or jam for the side?
Nah. Used to be able to eat inside, but that probably changed with COVID and everything. Even though like COVID really pretty much anything, it's still there, but yeah. So let's hang out, wait for it to get done. So what up everybody, I'm back in the room. Had to stop at the grocery store real quick. Give me something to drink, orange juice. Now let's take a look at it. There we go. So pretty much just got the hot links with the biscuit and gravy with some jalapenos. Now, let's try it. But that one didn't give me no biscuit. Trying to get some of the biscuit with the gravy. That's probably look crazy. Delicious. So I'm about to finish eating this meal. I know y'all don't want to sit here and watch me eat the whole thing. So catch you guys later. Deuce. But I'll show y'all some of the amenities when we get in here. There go the nice lounge area. Reception desk over there. So then they got a restaurant right here. There go the menus. You pause it if y'all want to take a look at stuff. What it look like on the inside. And a nice bar over there. Then we'll go down and look at the pool real quick.
Floor B.
Got an indoor pool down here. And also like a small gym. Work lights up. Oh, it's motion sensor. Got all your basic weights, elliptical, treadmills, bike over there. The only thing I don't like about this gym is you definitely can smell the chlorine. But that's that. So I'll get back at y'all later.